Place the main unit on top of the battery, then slide it back until the battery clips onto the bottom. Then plug it into the main unit. To turn the wave on or off, press the power button. Short press for on, long press for off. To update firmware, connect to the EcoFlow app. Tap the user icon, then tap the firmware setting to check for updates. To adjust the temperature on your unit, press and hold the temperature button to choose between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Then, short press the temperature button and turn the dial to set your desired temperature. To set your wave to run for a predetermined time, press the timer button. Then, turn the dial to set your wave to run for as long as you set. When connected to an AC power supply, the unit will stop cooling once your timer expires. To use Eco Mode, open the app and select Eco Mode, then adjust from low to high. Eco Mode intelligently switches between fan and cooling settings to extend runtimes beyond what would usually be possible. The app will give you an estimated runtime, so you've got peace of mind you'll stay cool. To adjust the fan power, use the dial. Clockwise increases the power. Counterclockwise decreases the power. In environments below 70% humidity, you won't need to drain any excess water. However, in very humid environments, you can use the drain hole and drain pipe. To drain water, just open the stopper and then connect the drain pipe. To continuously drain water, you should first turn off the motor in the app. That's a look at the main ways to operate EcoFlow Wave. Want to see more tutorials? Check out the EcoFlow support channel.